As you know, the apostle, I welcome every one of you to this video. Actually, like I told you in my last trading, that I'm gonna take my account, which I showed you demo and the real account last week, and I said I'm gonna take the demo account to $1 million, and I was trading last time, and we won that trade close to 300,000 last time on the last video, and I said to you I'm taking it to $1 million. Now I'm going to show you that my one candle strategy works is 85% win rate. I'm telling you now. I woke up this morning and see the result of my trading. You could see now that my account from 200 plus, we have almost 431,000 US dollars. So which last night stroke this morning I've made 102,000 US dollars. So, and it is one candle strategy. I only trade one candle. You can trade one candle anyhow. For example, I'll show you now. Look at let me go to 4 hours candle. Look at that candle. I just trade one candle. You could see my strategy. So when I look at the break and retest. So it broke this height and come back and retest the 50% of this higher high. So a moment he gave me a signal, so I placed my trade, and here you go. You could see the outcome of it and the result. So now to take my profit quickly, let me show you what I normally do. Before that, let me just go to, because I'm looking to get like 50,000 each, but there could be a drawdown, so I want to go to 15 minutes and check what's the candle saying. So, and what I want to do is look at the second candle. So first I take the first one here, take the second one here, and take the last one here. So I've locked in some profit like that. So I'm hoping my take profit can get to this end, and that is my simple strategy. So if you like my strategy, because I don't have time to go into details, what I look at to as a signal and the trend of the market, but one of these days I will do a live video. I'll take time to analyze and explain to every one of us, and moving forward you can start joining me in trading. So I remain your apostle. Please subscribe, like, and join me. Thank you. Bye.